The Civic Activity Fund is a fantastic initiative by Welsh Government designed to support local communities and across Wales. It aims to address local challenges and empower people to make a positive impact. Our project, the Youth Engagement Program, was designed to support young people in Newport community. Through a series of engaging workshops and panel discussion, we hope to help young people to gain networking skills, connecting them with role models from the community and engaging them with local organizations. By the end of the program, we aimed to provide young people with the tools and confidence they need to succeed in their future life, whether studying at higher education, starting new business, or entering workforce.
My role, I'm looking after staff development, academic, and one of my responsibility also looking at how the engagement for student employability and development with local community, with the industries, and especially looking at how we can work better with the local community and the business to work together, grow together for a better South Wales. The impact on the community is amazing. Not just we just working with the youth, let them see the options, the positivities that are available for them in the community, but also we have brought all the community in terms of the parents, the residents, and charity and the local business all together. So we bring our USW family into our community family.
Projects like this are massive from the point of view that gives youngsters, young people opportunities to open their eyes to the world and see what's out there and be able to access support where they probably wouldn't be able to get if they didn't come through NYCA. Oh, the positive impact has been absolutely fantastic. I mean, from the point of view that, you know, some of these young people have attended these workshops and off the back of it they've been inspired through good people that they've met on the workshop, from university lecturers to business owners, and it's opened their eyes to actually become business owners themselves. So it's actually opened a lot of doors for a lot of the youngsters, and also, and more importantly, it's opened their minds to actually decide what they want to do and what path they want to take.
The project really helped me because through it I learned how to write a CV, and then I managed to get my first job.
This project has helped me by giving me options for my college and helping me with future jobs and helping me write a CV. I've also gained confidence working in a construction site with Hales once a week.
It has encouraged me to build my own business, which is photography. I wasn't too sure of starting the business, but then they told me, just go for it. And then I did, and then it really took off.
If we don't partner with the experts, our children and young people don't have the opportunities to develop and enhance their development and their learning. So one of the biggest things we always, finish with, especially for us as NYCA, is together we're stronger, because we can't do it alone. We need our partners, and the partners can deliver, but they deliver through us, reaching out to the people that really need it, so we can deliver great projects like this that make a difference to real people's lives.